Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're unboxing the SpaceAid Metal Spice Organizer with 28 jars. Let's see what's inside. First off, we have the complete spice toolset, which includes a 4-tier cabinet spice rack, 28 square glass spice jars, 386 waterproof spice labels, a collapsible silicone funnel, and a chalk marker. This setup is designed to make organizing your spices a breeze. The 4-tier cabinet spice rack is made of sturdy steel metal with powder coatings and electrostatic spray finishing. Its inclined design ensures that you can easily locate and access your spices, turning any spice mess into a well-organized masterpiece. Next, we have the 28 glass spice jars. These jars are made of durable, lead-free glass and feature sifts and pour lids for easy measuring and shaking. The metal airtight caps keep your spices fresher for longer, and the included funnel makes filling them mess-free. Finally, this spice tool set comes in an ideal size, measuring 13.4 inches in width, 10.8 inches in height, and 4.4 inches in depth. Its wire design makes it suitable for placement on countertops, inside cabinets, pantries, cupboards, or any other kitchen area, ensuring convenience and versatility. Let's put some spice into it. As you see, it comes with a collapsible silicone funnel that make it so easy to put spice into the jar. Now that we've unboxed and explored all the features, let's set this up in my kitchen cabinet and see how it looks in action. And there we have it, folks. The SpaceAid Cabinet Spice Rack Organizer is all set up and ready to go. As you can see, having all my spices neatly organized and easily accessible has made cooking a breeze. I'm loving the convenience and functionality of the SpaceAid Cabinet Spice Rack Organizer. And there you have it, folks. That's my detailed review of the SpaceAid Metal Spice Organizer with 28 jars. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with its quality, design, and functionality. If you're looking to spice up your kitchen organization, I highly recommend giving this product a try.